In this video, I will show you how to connect Webflow to Shopify. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on apps on the left side, and you're gonna have to simply search for Shopify. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on Smoothify, this one here, and as you can see, this will allow you to create the designs in Webflow, and then you can use Shopify to sell. So as you can see, no code, no export, and all you have to do is simply click on install on site, and then you're gonna get redirected here to their official website, where you're gonna have to simply set up your new account if you don't have any. So it's gonna take a while until this loads up, but after this loads up, you're gonna be able to connect your Webflow account. Now there is another way to connect Shopify if you don't want to use apps. So you're gonna have to simply go to CMS here, and then you're gonna have to simply create a new collection, such as for sale. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply, as you can see here, you're gonna have to create a new collection, and then you're gonna have to simply give it a name. Then you're gonna have to add new field and choose plain text, and then simply name your field product component. So let's go back here, and then we're gonna have to simply click on add a new field, and then here plain text, and then we're gonna have to name it product component. So let's name it product component, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on save field, and as you can see here, you're gonna have to click on add a new field, and again choose plain text. So let's add a new one, and then name it product ID, and then we're gonna have to simply save it again. So let's choose plain text, save field, and here you're gonna have to simply, this is optional, you can add any additional collection fields such as price, description, image, etc. And then simply click on create collection, and as you can see, we have our collection here. Now as you can see, how to add your Shopify product to the Webflow CMS. So you're gonna have to simply go to the buy button sales channel in the Shopify app store. So it's this one here, and then you're gonna have to install it on your Shopify website, and then you're gonna have to simply click add sales channel, click create buy button, click product buy button, and then choose your product and click select. Then you're gonna have to customize it, and then you're gonna have to simply copy that code. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply paste your embed code into a code editor such as Sublime Text or Visual Studio Code. And then you're gonna have to highlight and copy the string of numbers and letters after product component. In the code, it should look something like this, as you can see. And then you're gonna have to return to your Shopify products collection in Webflow, and then simply create a new collection item. So you're gonna have to go back here, and then you're gonna have to simply create a new collection, and then you're gonna have to paste the string of numbers and letters you copied from your code editor into the product component field. Then return to your embed code in the code editor and highlight and copy the string of numbers between the single quotation marks after ID. It's gonna look something like this. And then you're gonna have to simply return to your Shopify product collection item in Webflow and paste the string of numbers you copied from your code editor into the product field and click on create. And basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.